Beautiful. Next question. See here. Question number 7. This is how people should understand questions solving on, or the methods to solve questions on removal and replacement. See here, sir. A beautiful question once again. From a tank of petrol which consists 200 liters of petrol. Let us read the entire question. Let us not read the entire question. Let us read statement by statement. Initial volume is 200 liters of petrol. No adulteration at this present moment. Beautiful. First statement is clear. The seller replaces each time with kerosene when he sells 40 liters of petrol or its mixture. That means I will take out 40 liters of petrol outside and I will replace it with 40 liters of kerosene. That is what they are saying. What is the next statement? Every time he sells out only 40 liters of petrol, pure or impure. That means this 40 liters will not change. It will, every cycle it is the same number is what they are saying indirectly. Every time he sells out only 40 liters of petrol, whether it may be pure petrol or maybe adulterated petrol or impure petrol, after replacing petrol with kerosene for the 4th time. That means another 3 more times I should write it. Now it is a mixture or a solution. 40 solution taken out, 40 kerosene added. 40 solution taken out, 40 kerosene added. Totally 3 times it is completed. One last time. 40 solution taken out, 40 kerosene added. I hope you are understanding, sir. Right? So after replacing petrol with kerosene 4th time, the total amount of kerosene in the mixture is how much? They are not asking you the total amount of petrol in the mixture, but they are asking you the total amount of kerosene in the mixture. Now see here, sir. Same logic. Let me do what I know and let me teach what I know so that you will also follow the same method and you will never fumble in solving these kind of questions which are repeatedly coming in examination. Now see here. Listen to this carefully, sir. Listen to this carefully. Now see here. Method 1. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. I am taking petrol outside the vessel. That means petrol parameter should decrease. So I should work with the petrol. That means I am finding the final volume of petrol. Initial volume of petrol is 200, which is given in the question, multiplied with, what is that they are saying? 40 out of 200 is taken out. 4 by 20 is taken out, or 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining inside is 4 by 5. Again you added 40. It became 200 once again. 40 out of 200 is once again taken out. 4 by 20, 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining inside is 4 by 5. Again after 2 cycles, that means again you added 40 kerosene. So it became 200 final volume once again. Now same process repeats. 40 out of 200 is taken out. 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining is how much? 4 by 5. I hope you are understanding, sir. And again you added 40. Again it became 200. Same logic once again. 40 out of 200 is taken out. 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining inside is 4 by 5. Now if I simplify further, I can say that 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 8 is nothing but 200. The things which are remaining right now are, what are the things which are remaining? So 8, first of all 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 64 into 8, you will get some value, divide by 25. Final quantity of petrol will be 81.92 liters. But what is the question, sir? In the question they are not asking you to find the final quantity of petrol. What Kilari Praveen made a mistake and say, he commented in the answer options as option A. He thought that petrol is 81.92, which is right, but the question is kerosene. This is the mistake students might do it. Praveen, not only you, this is the mistake many people will do it. Please be very careful. Answer is not option A. Kerosene is nothing but, out of total 200, 81.92 is the petrol which is not required for me. So kerosene is 200 minus 81.92, 118.08 liters. On answer is option C. but not option A. Please do not make these silly mistakes in the examination. You did everything right, but you made the answer option as an incorrect answer option. What is the use of solving everything right? It really makes no sense. If you solve the entire question right, at the end you marked a wrong answer option. It really does not make any sense, sir. I hope the idea is clear. Now, instead of writing 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 4 times, we developed a concept. Sir, I don't want this concept. I want to go with whatever has taught in method 1. Please use that. It is up to you. But I will teach you multiple things. Final volume of petrol. What I am finding here is final volume of petrol, because that is the parameter which is decreasing. Initial volume is 200 into 1 minus quantity taken out. Every time how much quantity is taken out? 40 liters is taken out, divided by total is 200. Totally how many times the same cycle is repeated? 4 times it has happened. Power should be 4. 40 into 1, 40 into 5. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. Whole power 4 is nothing but 4 by 5 is multiplied 4 times, and that is exactly what I wrote here also. So petrol will be 81.92, kerosene will be 200 minus 81.92. Method 1 and method 2 both are same, sir. You decide which method you want to go for it. I also taught you another method in my previous problem. Why to ignore that beautiful method once again? All the 3 methods, I love it, sir. I love all the 3 methods, because when we developed all these 3 methods, why should we ignore this? I want to, we spent a lot of time in developing these methods only to teach you people. If I ignore teaching you, what is the fun in developing this? Now, simple concept says that 40 out of 200 is taken out. 1 by 5 is taken outside. That means remaining inside is 4 by 5. That means initially it is 5. I will write 5. Finally it is 4. I will write 4. But this process has to happen 4 times. 5, 5, 5, 5. 4, 4, 4, 4. That means according to the ratio, initial volume of initial quantity of petrol is 5 power 4. 5 power 4 is nothing but 625. According to ratio, it is 625 liters. According to ratio, final quantity of petrol is nothing but 4 power 4. 4 square is 16. 16 into 16 is 256. But the question says it is not 625. It is 200. Question says how much this is. So find out, cross multiply. Here definitely question mark value will be nothing but equal to 81.92 liters for petrol. But I don't want petrol. I want kerosene. Subtract from 200. You decide the method, sir. Completely your freedom. It is completely you that you need to decide which method you think that it is comfortable for you. Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Method 1, method 2, method 3. I will teach you multiple methods which I have taught you as of now, but I will never ignore some things for my students. I will definitely teach whatever it is required for you people. Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat. Guru says it is clear. We have some excellent questions in the next 40 minutes of my class, 30 to 40 minutes. Just to keep on paying a lot of attention, sir. Sanjay, yes, that is for you. Second method is best method for you. Let students decide. So, which method you prefer the most? Praveen Kumar, I always prefer method 1 in this case, but method 1 has its own disadvantage when the level of question increases. That means slightly complex level, method 1 has little disadvantage. That is where method 2 is what is very, very important. I will come back to method 2, which is very important in my little difficult questions if I take a class tomorrow. If I do not take it also, I know that probably Praveen Kumar, if I remember right, you are an enrolled student. If I remember right, you can watch it, sir. You can watch it later. It will be uploaded if I don't take a class, but it will be definitely recorded and uploaded. Nothing like it will be.